Hi, my name is Shubrendu Gangopadhyay and I am a hydrologic engineer at the Bureau of Reclamation's Technical Service Center in Denver. I'll be introducing the Downscale Climate and Hydrologic Projections website, a resource for climate impacts analysis. The projection site includes downscale climate and hydrology projections for the contiguous United States and parts of Canada and Mexico, derived from contemporary global climate models. I will also be introducing you to an online lesson which provides necessary background information on what you need to understand about how these data sets were developed. Knowing about this will help you use this site effectively to retrieve climate and hydrology projections data for your impacts analysis. I also wanted to mention that the projection site is a result of collaboration between several federal and non-federal partners. Note that when I use the term data in this video, I'm referring to a model data product and not raw data collected from an observation network. To make use of the Downscale Climate and Hydrology Projections website, it is first important to understand how hydroclimate data is developed for use in regional impact studies from climate projections. What we are really doing on this site is taking the results of global climate modeling and bringing it down to a scale where it can be used for assessing regional climate change impacts. In order to effectively use the site, you need to have a basic understanding of some key concepts. These key concepts are explained in this online lesson available from the COMET program on the METED website. This online lesson, which takes about 4 to 5 hours to complete, is made up of 5 chapters. These explain the process of selecting and using the best available climate projection information. Chapter 1 introduces important terminology and processes for global climate modeling. Chapter 2 focuses on how core-scale global climate model projection data is processed using bias correction and spatial downscaling to make it relevant for regional impacts assessment. The projection site provides already bias-corrected and spatially downscaled data. This data is used to inform climate change scenarios. Chapter 3 explains first how to define climate change scenarios and then how to select specific projections to inform those scenarios based on the bias-corrected and downscaled data from the projection site. Chapter 4 shows how to develop detailed temperature and precipitation data for inputs to impacts models. Finally, Chapter 5 provides a summary and covers a few additional data considerations. As climate science continues to evolve, the climate model resources on this site will be updated, so be sure to check back periodically. Thanks for watching.